Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and I'm here to give you another great review. The holidays are upon us, and so it comes that dreaded time of trying to figure out what am I going to get everybody. And today's product that I wanted to share with you is, I think, makes a great gift for your girlfriend, your wife, your sister, your mother, daughter, all kinds of options out there. So it is an all-natural soap by Elite Creed Natural. I'll include their website down below. Right now, they're running a special on their soaps, 50% off. Why I like these is they're all natural, handmade. They smell great. The one I have is the wood and clove soap, which is it's got stuff in there to help deter like bugs and mosquitoes and things like that, and it's kind of more a smell for guys, but like I said, they make a lot of scents out there, and it's not overpowering. So if you wear cologne or something like that, this is not going to overpower that or cause problems with trying mixing it. So it is, like I said, it's all natural. It's made with high quality oils and natural ingredients. It's very hydrating. It suds up really great. It contains no sulfates, no parabens, no synthetic colors, petroleums, palm oils, etc. There's a lot. I'll list on the website. You can see everything that it does not include. They also sell, one of the things I got before the soap I got turned on to, or I was buying for my wife and son, is they sell bath bombs. Once again, same thing, all natural, handmade ingredients, lavender, etc. They sell lotions, they sell bath salts, oils, all kinds of stuff. So you can easily throw together like a little gift basket. Everything's pretty affordable for considering it's all organic and handmade. So be sure to check it out. It's, like I said, it makes a great gift. You can, with 50% off the soaps, they run other specials, so keep an eye on the website. You will be able to quickly build a bunch of gift sets and things like that. So, and who knows, you don't necessarily, I'm just kind of promoting it here for the holidays because that's how much I love it, but, I use it for myself, so you may just consider buying it for yourself. So, other than that, this is Elite Creed Natural soaps, and if I could send the smell through YouTube, I so would, but check it out, see my link, feel free to comment and like below. I do respond to my videos. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. And until the next review, you guys take it easy and happy holidays, I guess. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.